In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive and unarchive contacts in Mailchimp. Archiving is a great way to keep your Mailchimp audience list clean without permanently deleting contacts. When you archive a contact, you're basically putting them on pause. They're removed from your active audience, and you're no longer charged for them, but all their data stays in your account, so you can bring them back later if you need to. Unarchiving simply restores them to your active audience. Let's start with how to archive contacts. First, log into your Mailchimp account and head to the main dashboard. At the top of the screen, click on Audience. This is where all of your contact lists live. From there, choose All Contacts. This view shows every contact in the selected audience. If you work with more than one audience, look for the drop-down menu near the top of the page and make sure you've selected the correct audience before you make any changes. This step is important so you don't accidentally archive contacts from the wrong list. Now scroll through your contacts or use the search and filter options to find the people you want to archive. When you're ready, check the box next to each contact you want to remove from your active audience. You can select one contact, a few, or many at once. Once your contacts are selected, look for the Archive button and click it. Mailchimp will show a confirmation pop-up. This is to prevent you from archiving contacts by mistake. In that pop-up, you'll be asked to type the word archive in all capital letters. Go ahead and type archive exactly as shown, then click archive to confirm. Those contacts are now archived and removed from your active audience, but still stored safely in your account. Next, let's look at how to unarchive contacts. Again, start by clicking on Audience at the top of your screen. This takes you back to your audience tools. Now find the Manage Audience or More Options drop-down menu. The wording may vary slightly depending on your version of Mailchimp, but it will be near the top of the audience page. From that menu, select View Archived Contacts. You'll now see a list of all contacts that have been archived in that audience. Just like before, check the box next to any contact you want to bring back. Once you've made your selections, click the Unarchive button. If you're restoring everything on that page, you might see an option called Unarchive All. A confirmation pop-up will appear again. This time, it will ask you to type Unarchive in all caps. Type Unarchive exactly as shown, then click Unarchive to confirm. Those contacts will move back into your active audience and will once again count toward your Mailchimp contact limit and be eligible to receive campaigns. That's all there is to it. You now know how to archive and unarchive contacts in Mailchimp so you can manage your audience more efficiently without losing important data.